First, import a solid background, and I am going to use white for this project. So you can also use a black background. So go to stock materials and import it to the timeline. Then go to text and add a default text to the timeline, and extend it to match your background footage. Now go to the text area and type anything you want. So I am going to type Fusion. Now change the font to any font you want. Also change the color and resize it a bit. Now let's add some animation to our text. So go to animation on the editing tools panel, select in, and there are a lot of animation for you to use for free. Then increase the duration of your animation a bit. Highlight your text and your background on the timeline and create a compound clip. Import the background you want to use to the timeline. Move your text on top of the video and trim your video to match your text. Then go to Video, select Remove Background, then select Chroma key. Now use the color picker to select the color of your text, and the color will be removed for the video to appear. Now you can increase the intensity and the shadow. Just play around with it to find what works best for you. You can also adjust the video to how you want it. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and leave your comments. See you in the next video.